Imagine you're chilling at the beach. Waves are calm, sun is shining, when suddenly, the horizon begins to bulge upward like the ocean itself is rising. And then, boom! A chunk of space rock the size of Mount Everest comes crashing down. Now let's pause for a second. Do you think humanity could survive this? Or would it be the end credits for planet Earth? Today, we're diving into one of the scariest what-ifs ever. What happens if a mountain-sized asteroid hits our oceans? Trust me, you'll never look at the sea the same way again. First, let's size this monster up. Mount Everest is about 9 kilometers tall. That's like stacking 10 Burj Khalifas on top of each other. An asteroid of this size would weigh billions of tons. And when something that massive slams into Earth at 20 kilometers per second, that's 45,000 miles per hour, it doesn't just make a splash. It makes an apocalypse. To give perspective, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs was only about 10 kilometers wide. So, yeah, we're basically asking what would happen if Earth got hit by another dinosaur killer. But this time, right in the ocean. The moment this asteroid meets water, it would release more energy than every nuclear weapon on Earth detonating at once. We're talking a mega tsunami that would dwarf any wave humans have ever seen. Forget your average surfer's paradise, these waves would tower over skyscrapers, racing outward at jet speeds. Coastal cities. Gone in minutes. And here's the kicker, the asteroid doesn't just sink into the water. Instead, the ocean basically explodes upward, creating a gigantic vapor plume, steam, debris, even parts of the seafloor, all blasted into the atmosphere. Funny thing is, if you were standing anywhere near the impact site, you wouldn't even see the wave coming. You'd be vaporized instantly. Poof. Instant you had a nice run. But the real nightmare isn't the wave, it's what happens next. That vapor plume. It doesn't just fall back down nicely. No, it shoots molten rock and water vapor into the stratosphere. The skies turn black as sunlight gets blocked out by thick clouds of dust and ash. Think nuclear winter. But natural. Temperatures drop worldwide. Crops fail. Oceans turn acidic from all the chemicals released. The food chain collapses. Basically, welcome to survival mode. And all of this, from a single rock that didn't even hit land. Now here's the question, could humanity survive this? Well, technically, yes. Small groups might. Underground bunkers, distant islands, or maybe those rich billionaires who keep buying doomsday shelters in New Zealand. I'm starting to think they know something we don't. But survival would come at a cost. Civilization as we know it, gone. No internet, no global trade, no Netflix. Imagine telling your grandkids about Wi-Fi like it was some ancient magic. And if you're thinking, hey, couldn't we just blow it up with rockets like in the movies? Good luck. Something Everest-sized is far beyond our current tech. Unless we spot it decades in advance, we'd basically be toast. So, what if a Mount Everest-sized asteroid hit the ocean? The short answer, chaos, destruction, and the closest thing to pressing Earth's reset button. But here's a thought, Earth has been hit before, and life still found a way back. Maybe humanity would too. Or maybe we'd just become another footnote in the planet's long history of extinctions. Now I've got to ask you, if you had just 24 hours warning before an impact like this, what would you do? Pack a survival kit? Hug your loved ones? Or just order one last pizza and watch the sky? See you next time.